Introduction. Welcome to this session on data security, formatting, and analyzing. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to demonstrate the process of protecting and unprotecting a worksheet, explain the formatting techniques in a worksheet, identify the sorting and filtering techniques in a worksheet. Data security. Protecting and unprotecting worksheets and cells. First, let us see how to protect a workbook. Assume that you are the leader of a team and you are going to design a worksheet that will be filled and edited by your team members. Excel allows you to safeguard your worksheet data by activating the Sheets Protection feature. You can also prevent unwanted changes to a workbook by activating protection for its windows and structure. Safeguard worksheet data. You can unlock and give permission to allow the user to edit specific cells. You can configure a range of cells to require a password before it can be edited. To protect a cell from being edited, follow the given steps. Select the rows and columns, right-click, and select Format Cells to open the Format Cells pop-up menu. In that, select Protection tab, uncheck the Locked checkbox, and click on the OK button. Note, by default, the Locked option is checked. Select the range of cells that you want to protect. Right-click and select Format Cells from the pop-up menu. This will open the Format Cells window on the screen. Click Protection tab. Then click the Locked checkbox and click the OK button. It is necessary to protect the worksheet in order to enable locking of cells. Now we will see how to unprotect the cells. To unprotect the cells, select the cells that you want to unprotect. Right-click and select Format Cells. Select Protection tab and uncheck the Locked checkbox to unprotect it. Protecting sheets with passwords. By setting a password, users can protect their worksheets from unauthorized access and inadvertent changes. At the same time, users should remember the passwords for moving, changing, or deleting data in a worksheet. To protect a worksheet with a password, click the File menu and select the Save As option. This will open the Save As dialog box. Click the Tools drop-down button. In that, select General Options. Now, the General Options box will appear on the screen. Specify the passwords in the Password to Open and Password to Modify text fields to protect the worksheet. After entering the required passwords, click the OK button. This will ask you to re-enter the passwords for confirmation. Re-enter the passwords and then click OK. Now your worksheet has been saved with passwords. Unprotecting sheets. Open the worksheet with the correct password. To unprotect a worksheet, click the File menu. Select the Save As option. In the Save As window, click the Tools drop-down button and select General Options from the list. Delete the Password to Open and Password to Modify text fields in General Options. Click OK to save the worksheet. Then click Save. Next, click Yes in the Confirm Save As dialog box to save the unprotected worksheet in the same name. Hiding formulas. Now, let us learn how to hide a formula. If you select the cell, you can see the formula at the top of the edit bar. Excel 2010 allows you to hide a formula in a worksheet to avoid other users from viewing or changing the formulas. To do so, select for the cells that you don't want to have visible formulas at the top of the edit bar. Right-click and select Format Cells from the menu to open the Format Cells window. In that, select Protection tab, check the hidden checkbox, and click the OK button. Worksheets must also be protected for hiding of formulas. So, select the Review tab in the toolbar and then click on the Protect Sheet button. A Protect Sheet window will appear on the screen. Now, enter a password and click on the OK button to protect the worksheet. Now the cells will not display the formulas at the top of the Edit bar. Formatting. Let us move on to the next topic, which is the formatting techniques in a worksheet: inserting, formatting, and deleting objects. Excel allows you to embed an existing file into an Excel sheet as an object. You can also create a new file through the Excel and embed it into your worksheet. To insert a file as an object, open the worksheet in which you want to insert an object. Click on the cell in which you want to insert a file as an object. Select Insert menu and click on Object. This will open the Object window and give two options in which files can be inserted. Click the Create from File tab from the Object window, then click Browse to select an object. Select the file you want to insert. Click Insert to add the file. Check the Display as Icon checkbox in the window. The Link to File option inserts the file contents into the document so that you can edit the content later. The Display as Icon option inserts the file as an icon that represents the file contents into your document. Finally, click OK. The inserted object will be displayed as an icon on your worksheet. When you double-click the icon, the inserted object will open in your worksheet. To format an object, right-click the object and select Format Object from the list. This will open the Format Object window. You can change the object line color, size, and so on. To delete an object, just click the object and press the Delete button. Changing the font type and font size. Excel offers nearly 200 different fonts in a wide variety of styles. The font size is measured in points. Formatting a range with a larger font size can make the range text easier to read. To select the font type and change the font size, select the range you want to format. Click the Home tab. To change the font type, click the drop-down in the font list and then select the font type you want to apply. Excel applies the font to the text in the selected range. To change the font size, click the drop-down in the font size list and then click the size you want to apply. You can also type the size you want in the Size text box. Excel applies the font size to the text in the selected range. Applying effects to fonts. The Font Effects feature in Excel helps you to improve the look and impact of the text in an Excel worksheet. Excel's font effects include bold, italic, and underline, which are available on the ribbon for easy application. Excel also offers a dialog box tab to increase many more font effects, including special effects such as strike-through, superscript, and subscript. Applying effects to fonts. To apply a font effect to a selected range, select the range you want to format, click the Home tab. To format a text in bold, click the Bold button. Excel applies the bold effect to the selected range. To format a text in italics, click the Italic button. Excel applies the italic effect to the selected range. To format a text in underline, click the Underline button. Excel applies the underline effect to the selected range. Now, click the arrow on the bottom right corner of the font group. This will open the Format Cells dialog box. To format a text to strike through, click Strike Through. To format a text to superscript, click Superscript. To format a text to subscript, click Subscript. Finally, click OK. Excel applies the font effect to the selected range. Changing font color. Excel allows you to add visual interest to the worksheet text by changing the font color. Excel also allows you to change the font color by applying one of the colors from the workbook's theme. You can also select a color from Excel's standard color palette or custom color to create yourself. To change the font color, select the range you want to format. Click the Home tab. Click the drop-down button in the Font Color list. This will open the color palette. Click the theme color from Excel Standard Colors. Excel applies this color to the range text. To select a custom color, select the range you want to format. Click the Home tab. Click the drop-down button in the Font Color list. This will open a color palette. Click More Colors in the color palette. This will open the Colors dialog box. Click the color you want to use. You can also click the Custom tab. Then you have to click the color you want or enter the values to the red, green, and blue components of the color. Finally, click OK. Excel applies the color to the selected range. Working with text within a cell. Excel allows you to easily align the text and number with a cell. By default, Excel aligns numbers with the right side of the cell and text with the left side of the cell. To align text horizontally within a cell, select the range you want to align. Click Home tab. In the Alignment group, click the horizontal alignment option you want to use. Click the Align Text Left icon to align data with the left side of each cell. Click the Center icon to align data with the center of each cell. And click the Align Text Right icon to align data with the right side of each cell. In this example, the data in these cells are right aligned. To align text vertically within a cell, select the range you want to format. Click the Home tab. In the Alignment grid, click the vertical alignment option you want to use. Click the Top Align icon to align data with the top. Click the Middle Align icon to align it with the middle. And click the Bottom Align icon to align it with the bottom of each cell. In this example, the text is aligned with the top of the cell. Format to arrange. Excel provides the Autoformat feature to save your time by formatting your Excel worksheets. This feature offers a number of predefined formatting options that you can apply to arrange all at once. The formatting options include number format, font, cell alignment, borders, patterns, row height, and column width. To apply Autoformat to arrange, before working with an Autoformat feature, add the Autoformat icon to the Quick Access toolbar. Select the range you want to format. Click the Autoformat icon from the Quick Access toolbar. This will open the Autoformat dialog box. In the Table Format list, click the Autoformat you want to use. Finally, click OK. Excel applies Autoformat to a selected range. Applying a number format. You can make your worksheets easier to read by applying a number format to your data. Excel offers 10 number formats, most of which apply to numeric data. To apply a basic format, select the range you want to format. Click the Home tab and then click the Number Format drop-down list. Click the number format you want to use. Excel applies the selected number format to the selected range. Using the Format Cells dialog box, select the range you want to format. Click the Home tab. Click the larger icon in the Number Groups dialog box. This will open the Format Cells dialog box with the number type displayed. In the category list, click the type of number format you want to apply. Excel displays the customized number format. After selecting, click OK. Excel applies the selected number format. Applying a style to a range. You can reduce the time it takes to format your worksheets by applying Excel's predefined styles to your ranges. Excel comes with more than 20 predefined styles for different worksheet elements. Each style includes number format, cell alignment, font size, and fill color options. To apply style to a range, select a range you want to format. Click the Home tab. Click the Cell Styles drop-down button. This will open the Cell Styles gallery. Click the style you want to apply from the Cell Styles gallery. Excel applies this style to the range. Now let us learn the sorting and filtering techniques in a worksheet. Sorting a table. Sorting. This option lets you order the table items alphabetically or numerically with respect to the information in a column. Applying a simple sort order. To apply a new sort order, choose the column you want to use for your sort key. Click the drop-down box at the right side of the column area, and then choose one of the menu commands that start with the word sort. The exact wording will depend on the type of data in the column as follows. If your column contains numbers, you can use either one of these options, namely, sort smallest to largest and sort largest to smallest. If your column contains text, you can use either one of these options, namely, sort A to Z and sort Z to A. If your column contains dates, you can use one of these two options, sort oldest to newest and sort newest to oldest. You can also find order options in the ribbon here in the Editing tab. Sorting with multiple criteria. With multiple sort criteria, Excel orders the table using more than one sorting key. The second sorting key brings in direction only duplicate values in the first sorting key. To use multiple sort criteria, follow these steps. Move to any one of the cells inside your table and then choose Home. Move your pointer to the Editing tab. In that, click on Sort and Filter from drop-down and select Custom Sort. Excel selects all the data in your table and then displays the Sort dialog box. Fill in the information for the first sort key in the column Sort On and Order columns. Excel sorts your entire table based on the criteria that the user carefully specified. You can also copy and delete your sorting levels by clicking these two buttons in the Sort dialog box. Filtering a table. The filtering option allows you to show only specific records in your table based on specific criteria you have entered. Filtering allows you to work with a limited part of your data and temporarily hides the information that you aren't interested in. Automatic filtering. In this example worksheet, some of the cells are blank. I want to remove the blank cells alone. To remove all the blank cells, click on the Column drop-down button to get the filtering attributes. In that, uncheck the Blanks checkbox and now click OK. The table is filtered and all the blank rows are removed. Filtering data for selected view. Autofilter. Autofilter is an easy way to obtain the required information from a worksheet that consists of a large amount of data. To filter the data, select the cell or range you want to filter. Select Data tab from the ribbon and move to the Sort and Filter group. Click the Filter button. Excel creates an arrow button in the column header. Now you can select the Sort or Filter option to filter the data in a column and press the OK button. Now Excel displays the filtered output. Using advanced filter options, Filtering list. Excel Advanced Filter allows you to filter a list of items from the worksheet. This helps you to fetch the required information from large data in a quick and simple way. In this example, let us see how to filter the selected range from the data. Click the Data tab from the ribbon. Move to Sort and Filter Group, and then click the Advanced button. Select the Copy to Another Location radio button. To enter data in the List Range text box, select the range from the worksheet. Leave the Criteria Range text box. To enter data in Copy to Text box, select a cell in which you want to copy the data. Click to tick the Unique Records Only checkbox. Click on OK button. Now Excel displays the selected list in the specified cell. Sort by color. In Excel 2010, there are more than 17 billion cells present in a single worksheet. Excel offers various options to sort the order of worksheet data by cell color, alphabetical order, ascending, descending, etc., to find the required data quickly and easily. Sort by color. To sort worksheet data by its cell color, from the Data tab, select the Sort icon to open the Sort dialog box. Select the column you want to sort by clicking the drop-down list near the Sort by Column field. In the Sort On field, choose any option from the drop-down list. Select the font color option. In the Order field, click the drop-down button and choose a required color. Finally, click OK. Now the data is sorted as per the given font color. Sorting in a pivot table. You can sort text or number data in pivot table, which facilitates you to analyze and organize the data you want. In this example, we are going to sort data in pivot table. Select the data in pivot table that you want to sort. Select the Options tab and move to the Sort and Filter group. Click the Z to A button to sort items in descending order. Click the A to Z button to sort items in ascending order. Filtering in a pivot table. Excel Pivot Table allows you to add the filter option to columns or row fields and lets you filter entries in these fields. To do filtering in a pivot table, click the down arrow of the column field you want to filter. Now a list of options will be displayed below the down arrow. Deselect the Select All checkbox. Now select the checkbox near the items which you want to filter. Click on the OK button. Now Excel replaces the down arrow with the filter icon and displays the filtered items in the table. Key points of the session. By setting a password, users can protect their worksheets from unauthorized access and inadvertent changes. Excel 2010 allows you to hide formulas in a worksheet to avoid other users from viewing or changing formulas. Excel allows you to embed an existing file into an Excel sheet as an object. The sorting option lets you order the items in a table alphabetically or numerically with respect to the information in the column. Filtering allows you to work with a limited part of your data and temporarily hide the information that you aren't interested in. Autofilter is an easy way to obtain the required information from a worksheet that consists of a large amount of data.